Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete projects from CapCut Cloud. So if you guys are using the CapCut Cloud, you can actually delete the project that you want to remove from the cloud. So here on the CapCut, just go to the cloud, click on this button, and then your projects on the cloud will appear. And to remove or delete the project, you can just click on the three dots icon in here, then the delete option will appear. So just click on that button, and if you're sure to delete the project, just click on delete again, like that, and the project will be deleted from your cloud. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and please click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. I'll see you all in the next videos. Thank you.